Welcome. Today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So let's first just open the phone application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner on the three dots, then just click to the settings and tap to the blocked numbers. Now just to unblock one from these numbers, just click here on the 6 icon and confirm your action by click here to unblock. Now you can see the message here that this number unblocked successfully. Just to remove the second number from the blacklist, click here again on the 6 icon and tap to unblock, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.